Hello everybody and welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Today we are going to draw NFL wide receiver and rising star Justin Jefferson of the Minnesota Vikings. A lot of people must like Justin Jefferson because we've received a few requests to draw this athlete. So here we go. We are going to get our black marker, pointed tip, and get right into it. Justin Jefferson, he was drafted by the Minnesota Vikings in the 2020 draft. He played college football at LSU, Louisiana State Tigers, and set the NFL rookie record for receiving yards with 1,400 yards. Funny fact, that was later broken in 2021 by former teammate at LSU, Jamar Chase of the Cincinnati Bengals. So here we go. Exciting wide receiver Justin Jefferson. We're going to find the middle of our page, and we're going to do the face, the head up here. And as you know, we do our athletes, our characters in Funko Pop style, kind of a cartoon style. So we're going to start up here, and we're going to do a wide jaw and up. So we got the jaw, the chin. We'll do a couple of ears. Now we're going to connect the head. So this arch from ear to ear, just draw slow and connect. Okay? We have the head of Justin Jefferson. Let's add a couple of eyes. We do big circular, fun cartoon, Funko Pop style eyes. So two circles, and inside those circles we do another circle and a smaller circle. These small circles we leave white. Those are the highlights for the eyes to help them pop. And I do a little section off, and we're going to add a little blue in there just to make it look like the reflection of like the lights in the stadium. So right now we'll color the rest of this eye with our black marker to fill it in, leaving those highlights white as usual, and color this eye in really quick. There we go. Just to show you what we're doing here, we're going to get a light, kind of a baby blue marker. I'm going to fill this area in. And it doesn't mean that Justin Jefferson has baby blue eyes. It just is a reflection to add a little life to his eyes. It's like the reflection of the lights. All right, get that black marker again. And we are going to fill in the rest of his body, the neck. So two lines that kind of slant inwards and then curve to a point. Okay, the Vikings jersey has a little curve, so let's do the shoulders over here. Shoulder pad, down, down, and now we're going to draw to the waist. Over and connect to the shoulder pad. All right, so we have the torso, and we're going to do a big football over here. Justin Jefferson just scored a touchdown, so he's holding this giant football, oversized football. And his fingers, let's do 1, 2, 3, 4 circles for the fingers, and the thumb over here, 5. And now his bicep, his arm will connect down to the elbow, into the football, okay? And over here we'll do, so Justin Jefferson does this dance a lot when he scores touchdowns, the gritty dance as he shuffles into the end zone. So we'll have him, this might be a little challenging, but we'll have him holding up kind of his fingers here. So let's do down, just a short little line down, and then his elbow going up into a wrist. Okay. Now right here he's going to be holding a kind of this symbol. Let's see. All right. So the thumb and the finger. See how that works? It's kind of like this backwards C. And then one finger up, coming down to connect to the wrist. Okay. And maybe another finger back here. Okay, there we go. So let's draw the pants up and connect to the waist, socks, and these rectangle. Now we're going to do the big shoes, the cleats. As you know, we do our feet really big, really oversized, kind of like clown shoes, because they're cartoons. So here's the tongue of the cleat. 1, 2, 3 for the shoelaces. 1, 2, 3 for the shoelaces. And big oversized shoe coming across, and this is going to connect up to the ankle. Right there. Bring this ankle down. We're going to match this. We're going to go straight across. And connect. Okay? Now let's do these cleats. All right. So we've got the outline of Justin Jefferson. Now let's have a little fun, okay? Justin Jefferson has these braids that kind of dangle off to the side on both sides. So let's see how we can do this. We will do one braid kind of coming in front, going up. Color that one in. Kind of match the same over here, coming in front. And if we color the ears in, if we lose track of the ears, that's okay. Here's another one coming over here. I like to color them in as I go. There are these kind of skinnier braids. Maybe one's a little shorter back here. Kind of match the same over here. Color that in. Maybe one's a little shorter back here. Maybe one's a little longer. Maybe one's a little longer behind the head. A little shorter one. All right. Okay, so we have Justin Jefferson's braids. I'm going to add a little bump on top. Okay. Now let's do, he's got this big smile. Every picture I was looking at, Justin Jefferson had this big smile. He likes to smile. And he was sporting a grill, right? He had these like diamond teeth that he had made. So let's draw Justin Jefferson with a grill. So here we go. We're going to start over here on the side of the eye. I'm going to go down to a point. And then over here. Okay? Kind of this slanted V. And now we're going to do a rounded mouth. He's got a goatee. So on his chin, we're going to color this little goatee beard thing that's hanging down. And a little mustache. Okay. On the side of his mouth, I'm going to do kind of shadow on the sides. We're going to color this. We'll do the eyebrows in a minute. We'll color in the grill here. Let's do a little bit, let's get a light gray to kind of represent, so I got this light gray marker. We're going to represent don't know, diamonds or whatever you want to say. I'm going to outline the mouth here. It goes up, up. See what I'm doing there? I'm drawing these lines. A couple that go down, down. I'm doing these little squares that kind of represent the diamonds in his grill. Okay, and then I'm going to get a light, just a really, really light kind of sky blue, just to add a little bit of color. I'm just going to trace some of these squares, make some lines just to make it look like they're shining a little bit. Do you think there's some yellow, maybe some gold? I'll get a little bit of a yellowish gold look. What do you think? This looks like a grill? I'm not really sure. Okay, it's looking good, having fun. So what we're going to do next is we are going to fast forward this. We're going to give the purple Vikings jersey, the number 18, the stripes, flesh color, eyebrows, brown football, white pants with some stripes. We're going to do yellow shoes, yellow gloves, and that should be it. So thanks for joining us on Hey Kids Let's Draw. Justin Jefferson of the Minnesota Vikings. Fast forward now.